Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Dr.Nelsi here. So today I'm going to tell you about how to reverse your premature graying of hair. So I had put on shots on my channel regarding premature graying of hair and its causes. So many started to ask what can be the treatment for it or how can we reverse the premature graying of hair in our early stages. So this video is for all of you. So please watch it without skipping till last to get benefited. And if you're someone who is watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such contents. So first I would like to say about the natural cycle of dyeing of hair. So our hair follicles tend to produce color. So it produces color, it regenerates, and then the old hair starts to fall. So this is the natural cycle of hair. So as we age, our hair follicles tend to produce less color to our hairs. That's the reason why our hair turns to gray or white. So this is basically determined by our genetics. So if you see nowadays, people tend to get gray hair or white hair during their 20s or their 30s. But if you see before 10 years or 5 years, people used to have gray hair or white hairs in their 50s or 60s. So this is not determined by the genetics. See, if your father had white hair in 50s, you should get white hair in 50s only. Determined on the genetics. But you are getting it on your 20s. Why? Because it is not producing enough color. So it can be modified or it can be reversed by doing a little bit lifestyle changes. So in this video, I'm going to say you about lifestyle changes which you can try and get benefited and reverse your premature graying of hair. So the first very thing is we have to get enough vitamins. So vitamins such as B12. In my shots, I had mentioned that premature graying of hair causes. What can be the causes of premature graying of hair is vitamin B12 deficiency. This is the major vitamin deficiency which can cause premature graying of hair. So if you are someone who has not done B12 deficiency blood test, and if you are suffering with premature graying of hair in your 20s or 30s, please go do B12 deficiency test. And if you are lacking in that, if you have deficiency, do try to take B12 and B related vitamins in your routine to get corrected with this premature graying. The next very thing about vitamins is biotin. So we all know that biotin vitamin is the most best and common vitamins used for hair. So as we see, if you have noticed in the ingredients part of the shampoos or the conditioners or the hair serums, they will mention it is made up of biotin and collagen, biotin. So biotin is one of the major vitamin which will help our hair to grow, repair, regenerate. So if you're someone who has not taking any of the vitamins, please try to take vitamin B, biotin, vitamin D and vitamin A in your diet. And next is you have to take plenty of minerals. So 5 main basic minerals which are required to reverse your premature graying is, first one is copper, the second one is selenium, third one is zinc, the fourth one is iron, and the fifth one is magnesium. So you may ask, what are the rich foods which contain magnesium, copper, zinc are? Magnesium rich foods are copper rich foods are, iron rich foods are, zinc rich foods are. So you can intake all of these to your diet, to your routine every day in order to reverse your premature graying. You can gradually come to know or get results of these by eating all these in your routines. Next is, don't damage your hair by doing bleaching, by using styling products, hair dryers. Too much heat to hair can spoil your hair, can damage your hair follicles and your scalp, resulting in premature graying of hair. The last one is quit smoking. So smoking can cause damage to your hair follicles. It does not allow your hair follicles to produce color. As a result, there is damage to your hair follicles and you tend to get premature graying of hair. So here is a home remedy which peoples are following from ages long. So you can definitely try this magical oil and get benefited and reverse your premature graying. So please note down the ingredients and try to mix it with your oil and use it. So the first ingredient is coconut oil. The second ingredient is almond oil. The third ingredient is olive oil. So the combination of almond oil, olive oil and coconut oil will definitely give magical results. Not only that, you have to add Indian gooseberry, that is amla. You have to grind it, take the juice of it and add in your oil. Next, you have to add black sesame seeds to your oil. First, you have to take all of these ingredients, put in a pan and just try to boil it in low flame heat so that all of these ingredients gets absorbed in the oil. The next is black tea. So black tea leaves can be also put inside these oils. So all of this, after getting boiled in low flame for 15 to 20 minutes, filter it and just take the oil, store it in some container and apply it once in a week or twice a week, and you can definitely see results in 2 to 3 weeks. And people, after using it, after getting results, do comment for this video so that others starts to see and get benefited by this.